Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a full makeup tutorial. First I'm going to be starting off with concealer, and I'm using the Revolution Super Size Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C12, and I'm putting that under my eye. Also I'm going to prime my eyelids with the same concealer so that we have a base for the eyeshadow. And just blend that out with my finger because it's easier to do. Maybe because all my brushes are too big, except for the eyeshadow brushes, but they have eyeshadow in it, so I don't really want to get that mixed with my concealer, because that will look a bit weird if I just had like random colours under my eyes. I think I need a bit more concealer on my eyelids because that wasn't very much. You don't need too much, because it's just prime. I'm just going to set that with Revolution matte base powder, and it looks like this. It's in the shade P5. It's a bit broken, I know, I dropped it on the floor. And that was really annoying, but you know. I'm just taking this sponge, which is also by Revolution. I guess I quite like this brand. I'm gonna set my under eyes and also my eyelids with that. Using the tip, because that's, you can get into like the corners. I'm going to be using Reloaded palette in the shade. The Revolution Reloaded palette in the shade Affection. Looks like this. I'll show you how I did this eyeshadow look on this eye. So first, I use this brown shade here in the crease. Next I'm going to be taking this red shade, and I'm going to be putting that in the outer corner and the crease of my eye. Mix it with that other colour in the crease. Then I'm going to be taking this orange shade and put it across the whole of my eye. And then right in the corner of my eye I'm going to be putting this shade, and I'll just hit that. I tap it down so I don't want to lose a lot of the pigment. Using the Rimmel Exaggerate eyeliner, and I'm just going to be doing winged eyeliner, and I'll show you how I do that. So I just start off with a really thin line. Then I do a small line at the end of my eye where I want the flick, and then I join it up to the rest of the eyeliner, and then I fill it in. And there you go, that's how I do winged eyeliner. So then I'll just do the same on the other eye. I'm just going to be using a nude lipstick. This is by Maybelline in the shade Brown Sugar 988. It's just a matte lipstick. And I like this one because it's matte, but it's moisturising, because a lot of matte lipsticks dry out your lips and this one doesn't, so that's nice. This is the finished look. Thanks for watching the video, hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more.